And we're live. Welcome back, KicknGravelers. Today is February 10th, 2019. Let's get into the markets. Looks like we're at $118 billion on the total market cap. Let's move into BTC USD. $3,614, just trending sideways. Remember, I put this up the other night. I'm going to show you something here in just a second. Remember this Barthead situation? I said we'd probably trend sideways, right? Something like that before breaking down. That is a possibility still. I'm still thinking that's possible. But also, let me remove this. Let me remove this guy here. Oh, come on. Give it to me. There it is. Okay. Also, I was looking at the charts. And I think this is also a possibility. Aaron, $5,900 Bitcoin. Are you serious? Then we would go full bull? No, absolutely not. I'm going to go back in time and show you a little something here. A little something. Okay, so this goes back into my things right here where we have their buy zones. Okay, we had a buy zone back here also. But I want to show you something here. In this, there's a buy zone right here. Okay, so what we have is on our initial run up, we came down, and then hit our buy zone. Okay, and then we bounced, up to a level which would roughly be around this zone here, which was also actually that was also a buy zone, but we only bounced up to that buy zone, right here. Did a retest of it and then came back down to this buy zone roughly, which is right around here, from here to here. Okay, so we bounced off of that buy zone and then we came up, and what did we do? We hit our head, boom boom, on this support line here, which was pretty much the bottom of our uptrend here. So this uptrend gave diminishing returns, okay, and bounced our head up on this support resistance line here, but boom, then it came down. So I'm anticipating that the next pump will only go as high as the bottom here, right? Well, let's scoot over and see what we did. Yes, that was a point where it couldn't go beyond. Okay, and then the same thing over here. We got the bottom of this top right here, and look, we never went above it. Okay, and then the bottom of this one here, this pump, yep, we came up and we didn't go above it. Then, so there's no more, you're not getting anything else out of the market. You're just basically trending sideways with diminishing returns. So the market dumps, boom, right here. And what does it dump to? Well, let me add this real quick, just as a quick little edumacation. It dumps all the way down to this level here. Boom. Okay? Yes. Okay. So it dumps down to this new buy zone. This buy zone has been dried up. There's no more money to be made at this level. So it drops down the level. Okay. So the reason why, let's go back to our original reason why I'm telling you this, is why I have this big arrow going up here, is because that is the bottom area of where our last buy zone is. So you could actually pull it down a little ways. It might not go all that high, maybe 5,400, something like that. Okay, I'm full on expecting that at some point, and it could be here or it could be here. I think that we need to back test, because we haven't yet. We need to come up and back test that. It could just trend sideways and get everybody thinking that there's nothing left in this market and we're going to dump to the downside. And I'm saying that this is a possibility, right? This is a super duper possibility that we come down, trade sideways, and then come up. We have not back tested any of this area yet. This is not a back test of that area. No way. This top here at 4,200, something like that. No, that's not it. We have to come up and back test it. So I think it'll happen. Now, here is the weird situation that I want to show you. Okay. Back here, when we reached our all-time high, right? We started falling, and we came down to, this would be, let me add it for you. There's a support. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Let's add this one. Boom, boom. Okay, we were at the all-time high, and we came down. Let's blow it up for you a little bit. Okay, and we came down, boom, support level, bounced up right here, and then we only hit below, just below our all-time high kind of area there, right? Just below it, and then pulled back. Okay, now we should have gotten a bounce, right? But the market was like, no, 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 total weakness here. So instead of bouncing and only going up, say, to here, it just said, screw it, we're going to the next level. And it went all the way down to here, and then bounced up to this level again, right? That's what that is. So my theory could work, right? But there's also an escape clause in the theory that it's possible that we're so weak right now that we do fall down to this level and then immediately bounce up there, right? That's possible. So I'm just putting out ideas. I don't know which one it's going to play out to, but I want to show you as we move forward. So this is BTC USD, $3,611. Stay in it. We're bullish. Now I want to jump over. I want to skip over XRP. I want to go straight into LTC USD, and I want to show you how it played out here. Okay. Boom. Okay, so let's bring this in, and we're going to set this at, this was our area of support at one point. And do you see what LTC did? It didn't backtest it here, but it came down, trended sideways, and then boom, we got a big power move. And I think that market said it's good enough. We backtested it. If you're holding LTC right now, in my opinion, you should be getting rid of it. Because if we get a move up higher, we might get to like 47 bucks ish, right? Maybe 48, maybe even as high as 50. But I like this area for dumping it because I believe we're going to come right back down, right? And we're going to come right back down to this level here with LTC. People don't want to hear it. People want to say bull. You see this right here? This is what I was thinking. We were going to come down here. But I thought we'd come down here and then bounce. But looks like the world had other plans for us. So LTC holders, I'm telling you right now, I believe, I know everyone's freaking out and LTC to the moon and it's the beginning of the bull run. It is not. In my full-blown opinion, I think there's no way this gigantic correction that we're in the middle of, even though it's the biggest correction we've ever had and the longest correction we've ever had, it's also, cheers to you guys, it was also the biggest run up we've ever had. We never went to 20,000 before, and this bear market is going to last a little longer. It just totally makes sense. And that's kind of getting into like Fibonacci things and equilibrium in nature. So anyway, I'm just saying I think this is how it's going to play out. If you're holding LTC, I think the end is near. I think that we had our pump. It's time to get out. I believe that Bitcoin is going to do the same thing. Let's see this in action here. Boom, boom. I think Bitcoin's going to come up and maybe test this level, 54, 55, maybe even as high as like 6,000. It's in this range, okay? I'm going to give you a nice little... Oh, you know what? I've got all these great tools. Might as well go like that. There you go. Boom. There's my target right there. Let's get in that. And you know what? Let's do something here. Let's make the target reddish. Oh, that'd be fun. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Don't give me a hard time. There it is. Boom. There's our target. Little pink target. Okay. I think we're going in that area. So that's just my theory. This is my, I call it, what? Well, I was talking with Dave when I used the well theory, so I'm going to just call it well theory. This well dried up, then this well dried up, and now we're working on this well. This well's got water in the aquifer, okay? And we're going to pump this well until it's dry, where there's no more money to be made out of it, and then we're going to have to drill deeper, boom, to this well down here. I hope that analogy makes sense to you. I'm full of it sometimes, and these are crazy ideas, but I believe that this is how the market is playing out. And we can see this on all kinds of different coins. Let's move on to XRP USD, 30 cents. We're trading sideways right here. Same thing. I think we're going to come on down a little lower on this. Let's add this one in here. Boom. Right there. XRP USD, I think it's coming down. Yeah, and then we're gonna, maybe trend sideways, and it's gonna get super boring, and then we're gonna get a few spikes here and there, and the market's gonna wake up again. But remember, we're still coming down off of that bull market, and this is a bear market right now. We're still coming down. And we're going to maybe get the next spike will be this high, and then it'll come down. The next spike will be that high, and the next spike, you know what I'm saying? And it'll flatline and be boring, and then we'll start getting spikes that go up, 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 rather than spikes that come down, 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 right? Okay, so right now, currently, XRP USD, let's check it out. Oh boy, I think it's failing. Yeah, we're going to have to get out of this right now. Yeah, that's no good. Let's dump it. It's okay. XRP USD is a sell currently. XRP BTC still a sell. We've been out of this for a while. It's still coming down. I think we're coming down to this zone here. If it doesn't hold, it'll drop down to here. So stay out of it. Yeah, we're doing really well on this trade. LTC USD. Let's check this one out. Again, there's my LTC USD. I think we should be out of this. I'm putting in a sell right here. Let's see it. Boom, boom. I think that's our top. I am preemptively doing this. I don't, I have indicators that are still saying some bullishness, but I'm telling you, I think my theory is correct, and I'm going with it. Remember, this is not investment advice. It's written all over the place. I'm constantly wrong. All right, let's check this one out. Okay, LTC Bitcoin. Yes. Okay, you're going to see Bitcoin holding. And remember, hold on, let's go back to Bitcoin. You're going to see Bitcoin holding here. Let's zoom out. You're going to see Bitcoin holding the line and then working its way up. But Litecoin already did this move. So you're going to see Litecoin now, the LTC BTC trade, start to lose out. I think you're going to start seeing that go down. I think I like the look of this here. This is February 10th. This is our candle today. Boy, oh boy. Yeah, I don't like this either. We're going, oh, 10th, this one. Okay, that's it. That's our red. Let's change that. And this one is the 11th. This is tomorrow's candle. Let's get that back to where it should be. There you go. XRP BTC. I want to make sure we did that right. USD did that one wrong. Pull that one back over. There you go. Okay, everything's right. How about ETH BTC? Let's check this one out. Still going. Yeah, hang on. ETH BTC is still going. Remember, ETH BTC didn't get a pop. It hasn't done it yet. But this was a great entry point. The market said let's go higher, and I think it will. ETH has been a good one for us to chart. So stay in it. Still bullish. ETH USD $120, and it's doing a nice little pullback here. Let's see what it does. I'm looking for more sideways out of this for a while before we get some more uptick, hopefully. And as far as like my well theory on ETH, let's check this out. ETH might not go that much higher. It might only go to maybe 150 tops. Maybe that's, yeah, 150. Probably more like 140 will be your top. Let's do that. I'm going to write this down. 150 to 140. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it goes that high. And that'd be like a top. Okay, so you're right here. You see it. You see it happening. We'll see what happens. See if let's see if my teeny tiny brain can come up with a new theory. Well theory. Okay, ETH USD still bullish, stay in it. BCH USD is $122, and I think it's possible we already topped on ETH. Here's an interesting. No way. Okay, wait a minute, guys. We never back tested this level here. Let's pull this back. Pull this in. Yeah. Okay. So we never back tested this level. It's possible that Bitcoin Cash USD could still come up and back test this area. Okay. So we're still looking at like 375 ish. Wow. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna play out like that, but you know what? If you see Bitcoin running up to back test that, then sure as heck Bitcoin Cash is probably gonna do the same thing. I like my odds here, guys. I think this is really, really cool. I think it will do that. It's going to come back down to the levels, and then it's going to bounce again, and it's going to give us a head and shoulders. Watch, I'll show you. Bitcoin's going to do the same thing. Boom. Big top, right? Diminishing return. There's your head and shoulder. Boy, that looks phallic. I don't know. Is that just me? Let's check this out. Okay, so yeah, that's my theory. Yeah. Stay in it. I know Bitcoin Cash USD $122. I like it right now. Let's see what else we got. ZEC USDC. Boy, we're getting that death cross here. Money's flowing out of it. Golly. I'm gonna just say, let's be careful on this. Let's watch this one here. We had a nice finish here, but this one's looking nasty. But this is tomorrow's candle. We don't need to concern ourselves with this just yet. We're gonna keep it bullish for now, but I'm worried about money flow. It needs to continue its uptrend. How about ETC, Ethereum Classic USD? Still looking good. Stay in it at $4.08. ZRX USD, stay in it. That's at 24.5 cents. BAT USDC, this is the USDC token, is at 12 cents. Continuing its run up. I really like the volume that we're getting out of this. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, I like it. Let's stay in it. DigiByte. Okay, Digi, what are you doing to me? DigiByte really fell hard here. I'm really concerned. It did close below the line, but the bulls kicked it in gear here. Now I'm trying to disregard this one here, but the bulls did kick it in gear. Almost brought it up to the 9. Volume's looking good. Money flow's coming in. I'm gonna stay with DigiByte for now. Let's hope that Digi can just pull it out. TRX continuing its downslide. Remember, we didn't get faked out by this pump here, and I'm going to talk about this fake out on pumps here in just a bit on another coin. And I think you know what coin it is, because I don't do too good on it. It's brand new. So we didn't get faked out on this, and it's continuing its downtrend. We've been out since the 31st of January on Tron. We're thinking it's going to penetrate this Kumo cloud and go bearish. Theta. How about Theta? Okay, Theta, we're still in it. Still doing that magic. Remember yesterday we were down here? And I said we could see the top of that Kumo cloud pretty soon. And boom, there it did. It finished it off Nice. Now, what's it going to do? I'm going to stay in it for now. I don't want to get out of this just yet, but I think it's showing its hand that that is it. That could have been it with this candle here. I am really thinking it is. But I'm going to wait. I'm not going to call a scalping opportunity yet. We will see. I think it is a scalping opportunity, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see. How about... Yeah, that's theta. Stay in it. OMG is $1.18. Let's stay in it for now. I love the volume that we're getting. Let's keep that money flow going. Come on, OMG. Let's pull ourselves out of this channel that we're in. We got to get out of here. Dash looking good. Dash going to the upswing. Still going strong. Like this. Love the volume. Money flow's looking good. Proppy, P-R-O. Oh, Proppy. I don't think so. We're not in that yet. Populous, PPT. Come on, Populous. What do we got here? We did get a full open and close above it. I do like that. No, we didn't. It's still slightly below. I'm going to stay out of it for now. Ambrosis, AMB. This is on the US dollar at 55 cents. Ooh. No volume. RSI death cross. Money flows leaving. I'm out. Don't get in it. Humanique, BTC. Okay. Look at that. I must have been stopped out. Yeah. Stopped out with a small loss. Bummer. That's okay. We're out of here. At least we know what to do. We're not going to ride this thing down into the grave. We're out. ADA, BTC. Still in it. Looking good. And it looks like a nice volume. Stay in it. PundiX, NPX, USD. Let's see. On the 1 day for Binance. Oh, I like this. I really do. Very strong candle here. This is nice. So you can see that Pundi has had really good, let me get the indicator out, favorites, blast off to volume. Pundi having really nice volume in here. I really like that. I'm going to go bull. I'm going to go bull on this. Let's get this one out of here. See ya, volume. There you go. Okay. Yeah, let's pull this one out. Boom. Come on, Pundi. I love that candle, by the way. Looking sharp. Welcome to the party. Neo BTC. Still looking good. I like this. Look for some sideways out of this, but it's not worrisome. We are still out of XTZ. Tezos USD on the 1 day for Kraken at 37 cents. Nope. It's just not doing it. You know what? It could just trade sideways for a while, and that's cool, but we're not in it yet. No. QLC chain. How about this one? Nope. Stay out of it. We're not touching it. Aeon. Wait a minute. Yes, sorry, I forgot about this one. That was our sell. Okay, Aeon. Yeah, stay out of this one. Don't get in it. Doge still going down lower. You know what? I cannot wait to get back into Doge. I must be crazy, but I think it's cool. It's like it's a joke coin, and I'm cool with it. It's been around so long. The Bitcoin clone Doge, I love it. How about Hot? We called a sell on Hot over here on the 6th of February, and we've been out of it ever since. Still not performing. Stay out of it. Hopefully you're not riding this thing all the way down. BTT token. Oh, look. It's doing it. Aha. Yeah. The February 9th call, which was basically yesterday, is holding green. I love it. Oh man, we're doing good with no indicators. Maybe we should just shut everything off and trade candles. All right, how about XLM BTC? Stellar Lumen, still looking sad. Going down. Remember, it was trying to fake us out here. You see that? It was trying to fake us out like it wanted to go bullish, and I was like, yeah, I'm not taking that bait. We're gonna wait and see what this thing does, and look where I think it's going. Yeah, well, once it breaks through this support, I think that's the next support. So if we don't get a full touch here and a bounce, we're in for some sad news for this one. So that's my thoughts on XLM. Stay out of it. Remember though, set your stops. BNB coin, BNB BTC. Okay, guys, this is the one that faked me out. I'm going to refer back to Tron. Okay, see Tron right here? We're out of it. Boom, we just sold. We're out of this. Not going to have anything more to do with it. And then it tried to fake me out, and it went actually higher than where we got out at. But I'm still like going, no, I think all indicators are saying to dump it. And it paid off, and it came down. Now let's go back to BNB, okay? I was thinking the same thing here, that these were fake outs. The problem is, and I'm not always right. I'm not right most of the time. How about that? But the thing is we did just get our golden cross right there. Boom. And it wants to keep going. Oh, wow. We've got excellent money flow, volumes here. I don't think this thing wants to give it up. So I am reversing my decision on this thing because I don't know where it's going. This is insanity to me. Yeah, I've had a lot of time to think about this, and I can't believe it. The strength that this thing is showing is incredible. So I'm switching it into a buy. Boom, boom. And hopefully me and BNB can get on the same page so I can start understanding what it's doing here. Okay, so BNB, again, I called this a sell over here on the 7th of February, and it just kept running. I was like, are you kidding me? This thing looks so... I was looking at a death cross coming down, diminishing volume, or money flow. Yeah, and then the volume kicked in and it just ran it up even higher. And then the other day, this is the fun thing. The other day, I made this line right here. Let me blow that up for you. So hopefully you can see it. And I'm going to make this a big old fat line for you. There you go. A little easier to see. But I was like, maybe this thing wants to just go parabolic and go, skyward. I don't know. So here's the top. There was a support line here that I thought it was possible it wanted to run to. If I take this out of here, right? Well, how about this? Let me put this in. Boom. Okay. So we have a support line here that's running all the way through, right? And we reach that. Okay. So does that mean it's over? Like we hit our support, it's coming down. We finally got our back test. Oh man, I don't know. Here's the thing. Like I said yesterday, you should probably be in this, right? Even though I'm selling or getting out and I don't have much, hardly any position, anything at all. I'm still thinking you should be in this until it tells you for sure, even though it hit that line. I think it's over. I really do. I think it's over. So what I'm going to do with BNB USD is I'm going to leave it. BNB BTC, let's go back. That's a whole new story, man. I don't know. Are we getting our double top just slightly less than and it's over? Shoot. Am I silly for trying to get back into it here? I could be. it's up to you guys to decide what you think this bull is going to do. I sure hate getting in the way of a bull, though. You get tore up. You will get tore up. So again, one more day goes by and me and BNB are not understanding one another. It's okay. You're going to have coins like that. At first, every coin screws you up. And then as time goes on, you get a little better and a little better, and you understand coins a little more, and you understand how they're acting and performing. And you'll get less and less of this. But even if you've been doing it for a while, you'll still get these weird anomalies. I just added BNB not that long ago, maybe just a couple days, less than a week maybe. And yeah, I'm still trying to figure it out. It has a lot of like hitches and starts where it takes off running and then it quits. We've got nice areas of support that just, cascade down, breaking down. We get humongous red candles followed by smaller ones. It's just kind of all over the place. I need to just continue to look at this and hopefully I can make sense of it. Also, too, the fundamentals of this coin, excuse me, I'm having a hard time wrapping my mind around it for its utility. What is it actually doing? I mean, it's not a coin that you'd want to store value in because it's just constantly going up and down, right? It's crashing, it's spiking. I mean, it's not a tether coin where you can safely say I've got $1 involved in this and I'm going to, anchor it to that dollar and it'll be safe. This is all over the place. If you're just using it as a coupon for trading and you're basically, getting a discount on trading Binance with Binance Coin, then that's kind of kind of a silly gimmick. Nobody likes coupons. So I don't understand. I fully admit I do not understand it, but it's all good. So there we are. This last two, BNB BTC and BNB USD, have continued to plague my trading for the last 2 days, where I have no idea what it's up to. Looks toppy to me, but I'm saying maybe I'll gamble a little bit on this one and get in it and see where it takes me. Maybe it'll take me to ATH, all-time high. So that being said, God bless you guys. Thanks for visiting with me today. And BTC USD, I'm going to leave you with that. $3,610 currently, trading sideways. Remember of my well theory, it's possible we could have good things coming for us. Bitcoin Cash, a lot of things that are tethered to Bitcoin. Litecoin was leading the pack and already did this. So yeah, I'm excited for what the future holds. And remember to please, whatever side of the market you're on, whether you're a bull and buying or a bear and selling, please put your stops in on the opposite direction in case we get big flashes up like this or big flashes down like this, where you can monopolize on that, take advantage of this market giving out free money or free coins. Okay guys, God bless you. Thanks for visiting with me. Oh, and I wanted to say this to the people on Cocoscope viewing. I am like totally impressed. Cocoscope I added as kind of an afterthought. I like the idea of a platform built for creators rather than viewers. It's kind of an interesting idea. I have more views on Cocoscope than I do on YouTube, which is fantastic. If you're on Cocoscope and you like trading, give me a shout out. I haven't heard much from the group over there, but I do have more viewers there than I do on YouTube. So anyway, love to hear from you guys. If there's a coin that you would like me to look at that I'm not looking at here, the 30 coins roughly that I'm going over, and you want me to go over a different coin for you, I'd be more than happy to. Just drop me a line. Okay, guys, thanks a lot, and I will see you tomorrow on Monday. We'll see what this market gives us. It's going to be great. See ya. Bye.